Hi Myntra Beauty fam, welcome to Myntra's YouTube channel. I am Prakriti and in today's video I will be reviewing Barry M products. Barry M is a beloved British cruelty-free makeup brand that makes on-trend, high-quality and affordable makeup products. It's also a very popular brand in the UK. I'm super excited to try these products from the brand and share my opinion on them with you guys. And you can find the products in the beauty section of the Myntra app. Along with that, the products are also going to be linked in the description box. For today's video, I will be creating this colorful makeup look using Barry M products, so let's get started. I will be starting with the Fresh Face Cheek and Lip Tint in Deep Rose. The link of this product is in the description box, so do check it out. Now this is a lip and cheek tint that's highly pigmented and has a smooth texture. It's very blendable. It can be blended with fingers or a brush. This is the perfect product for a natural fresh face makeup look. This works for all skin types. It gives a beautiful dewy finish and is long lasting. This is not displacing or moving my foundation, which is a good thing. This is available in 4 different shades on Myntra. I have got the shade Deep Rose, which is a beautiful pink shade for me. It gives a pink flush to my cheeks and looks amazing on my skin tone. Other than that, Barry M is also a vegan and sustainable brand. So next I'm going to move on to the eyes. I did play with a few products on this side, as you can see. The first product that I will be using for my eyes is the Barry M highly pigmented, long-lasting, clickable eyeshadow in Peacock. These are clickable, so you can get different colors from the same range and you can create your own palette as well. You can click on the link in the description to check out the other shades. So I will be applying this shade all over my eyelid. I'm just going to use this flat brush to pick up the shade. I have already applied a little bit of concealer on my eyelid, and for today's video I am going to create this graphic sort of eye look. This is a shimmer teal color. This shade is very pigmented. It's a one and done eyeshadow that can be used on its own or pair with other shades available in the same range. Like, you just have to tap in a couple of times and it gives you the perfect pigmentation. After this, I am going to use the High-Vis Neon Bold Waterproof Eyeliner in a Riot. Now these are waterproof neon eyeliners with a matte finish. The colors are fun and give the perfect pop to your eyes. There are more shades of this eyeliner available on Myntra, so you can check out the description box for the link. I love placing it and smudging it on my lower lash line, and I'm also going to line the blue shade with this pink eyeliner. These are extremely pigmented and the tip is super precise to achieve a defined look. These are perfect for creating a graphic eye look. I also have the shade Strobe Light, which is a neon green. Next is the Showgirl Extra Volumizing Mascara. This gives intense volume to my lashes. I love curling my lashes before applying mascara. I am going to show you how to apply this. Work the brush starting from the inner corner of the eye outwards. This is perfect for achieving extra long, luscious lashes defined from root to tip. And do not forget to coat your lower lashes too. The eye makeup is all done. The colors are really popping. The blue and the pink are looking beautiful. And now I want to add a little bit of glow to my face because I feel that my face is missing some glow. For that, I will be using the Barry M Fine Glitter Dust for cheek, lips and eyes. This is a super fine glitter that can be used on lips, eyes and cheeks. I am going to apply some on my eyes for some extra shine and some on my cheeks as a highlighter. This is a product that I really love because of how fine the glitter is. It can be used in a lot of different ways. It's truly a multitasking product. I'm also going to take some product on a pointed brush and apply it on my inner corner. Also has a vegan glitter fixer glue gel that can be used before applying glitter. Now this is ideal for sticking pearl or glitter based products on your face or body. So let's get to lips. For this I have the Barry M Vegan Richly Pigmented Velvet Matte Lipstick with Vitamin E. I have got 2 shades, Crave Me and Dirty Rose. Both of these are nude shades. I am going to swatch both of them on my lips. Crave Me is a warm-toned brown nude and Dirty Rose is a deep pink nude shade. These lipsticks are available in 8 shades on Myntra. Again, you can check out the description box for the link. These have a silky smooth texture. They are not drying and have a smooth application. Now, I love both the shades. They look amazing on my skin tone. Now these also have intense color payoff and are very long lasting. They have a vitamin E to keep your lips soft and hydrated. It also comes in this sleek black packaging which is travel friendly and looks classy. I think Dirty Rose looks better with this makeup look, so I'm gonna go with this. And ultimately I have the Barry M, that's Swell XXL Extreme Lip Plumper in the shade Bougie. Now when this one plumps your lips are going to feel a warm and tingling sensation. So this shade Bougie will give a very light warm brown tint to your lips. I'm just gonna apply it. You can see it's almost like a gloss with a little bit of tint. And it has that beautiful dewy finish. This gives extra volume to your lips. Your lips will feel warm and tingle a bit after application. The non-sticky formula stimulates the skin's natural collagen for a soft, plump pout. It's also available in a clear variant and a cooling variant. Now I applied it on top of a lipstick, but you can apply it by itself if you want. This does moisturize your lips really well. You will feel a warm tingling sensation for a few seconds after application. That means that the gloss is working. This is the completed look using these amazing products from Barry M. All of these products are going to be linked in the description box and you can also find them on the Myntra app. I feel that these are really fun and trendy makeup products that won't disappoint you on the days you want to have a little bit of fun with your makeup. You know, add a pop of color to your eyes, to your lips. And the cherry on top is that this brand is vegan and sustainable. And that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. I hope this was fun for you to watch. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel for more amazing content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.